Hey everyone, welcome to Multicademy. Today we are going to be exploring the amazing world of ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by openai. I am your host David Alabu and guide for this adventure, and I am excited to show you all the cool and fun things you can do with ChatGPT. So let me introduce myself. Welcome to Multicademy. We are a multi-sector learning channel. We teach technology, programming, arts, and the likes. We are going to be uploading more videos very soon, but do well to wait, and please do well to like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on notification so that you'll be among the first to receive notifications of our new videos that we've uploaded. So moving on, ChatGPT, essentially, it is an AI-powered chatbot that can understand and respond to natural language inputs. Think of it like having a conversation with a super intelligent robot that knows almost everything about the world. You can ask ChatGPT anything from trivia questions to philosophical musing, and it will do its best to provide an insightful and entertaining response. It's just like when you're on a Google search, then you come here and type something like, let me say, Walt Disney Frozen, then you see the results. Google brings out links and sites that have these results, and you have to select from each of them to find out more about it. But what ChatGPT actually does is, when you come to a new chat section, you ask it, I want to know more about Walt Disney Frozen. Then you wait for it to respond to you. So it goes on and on and on and on. You can stop and regenerate another response. So moving on to my tutorial. Actually, I asked ChatGPT to provide me a full, cool and fun intro tutorial from ChatGPT on my channel. So this is what it brought out for me, which I used earlier on, as you can see. So you can ask ChatGPT any trivia question to philosophical musings. It will do its best to provide an insightful and entertaining response. Now, the first thing you need to do to use ChatGPT is find a platform that supports it. There are different options out there, including openai's own websites, as well as third-party chatbot providers like Botstar and many chats. Once you've signed up for an account and access the chat interface, you are ready to start chatting with ChatGPT. I can show you through how to create your own account. All you have to do is go to the link chat.openai.com, or you can just search on Google about ChatGPT. Okay, and it brings you the blog link. Then you go to the blog directly. Then you try ChatGPT. Then it brings you to this site. Then all you have to do, if you have an account, you can log in, and if you don't have an account, feel free to sign up. You won't be charged. But the thing about ChatGPT is you are limited. If you are using a free account, you are limited, but you can upgrade to plus when you won't. Yes, as you can see, free plan available when demand is low, standard response speed, regular model updates. But if you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus, available when demand is high, faster response speed, priority access to new features. For most ChatGPT users, they might have experienced sometimes when you try to log into ChatGPT and all you see is there is high demand, that will get back to you later. do well to fill this form to get notified. That is an example of if you are using a free plan. At that time, there's a lot of traffic on the website, so you won't be allowed to access it for a certain amount of time. So what you have to do, if you can't get to that, all you can do, you can upgrade your plan, or you can keep on using the free. So there are other questions you can ask it, like quiz, like the one I asked also today. Where is that? You can see your chat histories. So for me, I've asked different chats, like it helped me in my coding and my programming and the rest like that. So I asked it other questions like this. It explained it clearly to me. All zones are beds, okay, but this is just like a quiz question. It can help you answer it. It will even explain it, give you description and the rest of, give you hints about this stuff. So moving on to the tutorial. Let me check my scripts. So one of the coolest things about ChatGPT is the ability to generate text in a variety of styles and formats. For example, you can ask it to write a poem, a short story, or news, even a news article. You can also specify the tone and voice you want the text to have, whether that's funny, serious, academic, or casual. This opens up a whole world of creative possibilities, whether you're a writer, artist, or just someone who likes to experiment with language. Just like what I searched generates a full, cool, and fun intro tutorial script for ChatGPT on my channel, Multicademy. So it generated this cool long scripts. Though it's not long, I'm adding my own insights. Please do well to like and subscribe to this video, subscribe to my channel, and share to your friends and colleagues who also want to learn about this cool stuff. So moving on, another fun feature of ChatGPT is its ability to play games and quizzes. You can challenge it to a round of trivia or see if it guesses the name of a movie based on a few clues. So there are even text-based adventures games you can play with. Let me ask ChatGPT if it will know some text-based game I can play with it. Let's go to a new chat at this section. So let me ask chat, please, can we play a text-based game? As I'm using the free plan, the response timing will be slow, but if you are using the pro plan, you can get your response faster without any traffic delay or anything. Sure, I do you have any particular game in mind, or do you like me? Okay, I want you to provide or suggest a few options, please. It's just like you're chatting with your friend. Its response is kind of friendly. Sure, there are a few adventure games. We can go exploring different locations. Okay, you can play trivia. Here I ask you questions on a particular topic and endpoints. Okay, let me stop there. Okay, I go for 2. I go for number 2. It will understand it. Let's see. Great, we can play a trivia game. It's understood this test. So ChatGPT is great. Can't you just see? We can play a trivia. Please choose a topic you are interested in and it will come out in the question. Okay, I would like HTML. Okay, Please, guys, help me. Let me see. Okay, let me go for number one. The answer is hypertext markup language. Okay. That's correct. You are off to a great start. Here's your next question. So, what is the HTML tag used to define an hyperlink? Oh God, help me here. Okay, let me get this answer. So for an hyperlink, you use the A tag. The A tag. Let me emphasize it. Okay. Please be fast. Correct. The A tag short as the used to define an image. The img tag. Yes. The img. Please. Oh my God, please. Great job. The image tag is used an image. What is the purpose of the HTML editor? It contains the source links and titles and source links and titles and scripts links and meta tags, metadatas, and the likes, something like that. Please, ChatGPT, have mercy on me. Provide information about the documents such as title, external scripts, style sheets, and other metadata that is not displayed directly. Oh God, thank you. What is the difference between the span and the div? Oh my God, the div is, oh please help me. So from what I understand, the div is for larger text. Both the span and the div are used to contain words and to carry out styles, but the span can be used for smaller text, like this right here now can be used as this is a span, not a div. So it is used to contain smaller texts or badges, while the div can be used to contain larger amount of text and badges. So let me explain. The div is used to contain large text and styles, while the span is also used to contain styles and small texts. Please. Great answer. Okay, so here's what is the purpose of the table tag? It is used to arrange items, products, informations of items or users in a tabular form. Informations of items in tabular form. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel and watch the end of the video. Select, impute select, I think so. Impute select, list of device, a list of items with a checkbox. UL, ordered lists. LI, select, the free plan is pretty slow, close but not quite. The HTML tag used to define a list of items with the checkbox is the impute tag. Checkbox UL and LI are used to create an unordered list, while the select tag is used to create a drop-down lists here. Oh my god. What is the purpose of the HTML form tag? For form imputes. This is kind of tiring and boring, but please bear with me. I just get it. So, okay, that was an error there. Let's continue that way. So, of course, one of the best things about ChatGPT is getting to chat with it and see what kind of responses it comes up with. Whether you want to ask it a deep philosophical question or just a silly conversation, ChatGPT is always ready and willing to chat. And who knows, maybe you will even learn something new in the process. So that's a brief introduction of ChatGPT, and I hope you are as excited to try it out as I am. If you have any question or comment, feel free to leave them in the comments below, in the comment section below. And as always, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The video will be uploaded later. Thanks for